What a moment for this young lady, her first European Championship. She finished 7th in the Russian National Championships this year. First major event for her. She was bronze medalist in the Junior Grand Prix finals this year, but this really a different ball game. Let's see how she can cope. This is 15-year-old Polina Korobeynikova for Russia. Fantastic start. Triple flip, triple toe. Doesn't get much better than that. This girl has such an exquisite jumping technique. Looks as though it could have been a double-footed landing on that Lutz, but textbook position in the air. Flip number 2, gorgeous. Oh yes, double axel, triple toe. Just amazing. Goodness me. Triple loop to die for. Salchow, 2 double toes on the end. Oh, goodness me. Well, it's the first time that I've seen Polina and I can assure you it won't be the last. That was absolutely sensational, and it's got to be said, what an amazing European Championships the Russian team are having. They've got first, second and third in the pairs already. In the men's they got first and second. In the ice dance they got a silver and a bronze, and that performance there from Polina is going to challenge anything in the final group, and they've got another two skaters in the final group still to go. Quite amazing. And if you think back a few years to Russian ladies skating, just think about that jumping technique. Who used to jump like that out of the Russian team? None other than Victoria Volchkova, who is a coach. Amazing, and you can see the influence in there. It's so precise.